Hello my friends. Today I'm going to do a swipe. Now I have in mind to use this swipe as a background for an embellishment, so that's why I've got this odd greenish color here. I mixed the Artist Loft Floetrol with a little bit of Art Minds Peridot to get this kind of hospital green color. Appropriate for our times. I hope it won't be ugly when I do the additional colors, but anyway, I'm going to start off by lining the colors in the center and then swiping, but I plan to do a lot of tilting around because I don't want just a half and half type of outcome. So let's see what happens. I mixed the paints 4-to-1 with Floetrol on the black and the white, and then I'm using some Deco Art Dazzling Metallics, and I mixed that 2-to-1. Hopefully that's sufficient. I don't do many swipes, so it's always a bit of an experiment. But they make great backgrounds. And if I love it the way it is, I'll leave it alone. But I'm kind of thinking that it will be a background, as I said. All right, to swipe, I'm using palette paper. It's got a nice waxy side to it, and clean it off pretty easily. So here we go. Let's start in the middle and work our way out. Oh, I didn't have very good, what's the word? Contact. It's an interesting look though. I'm not bothered by that. I'm a little surprised that the green isn't showing up as much as I thought it would. Man, I'm not going very straight. I've had a lot of tea this morning. I actually don't mind that it's showing through. I didn't grab much black that time. I didn't grab any. Let's do that again. Well, let me come back to it. I can always add more and come back. I might like it to be a little different. Do it again. This time I will grab it, maybe overlap a bit. It looks like beer. I'm going to go back over that. Maybe that looks funny. I guess so. paper's starting to curl up a little bit. I'll just reverse it. Come on. Okay, I do like the black. I better add some more. I'm going to try, I think swiping away is kind of comfortable, and then you can see a little better where you're placing it. Do I want to add maybe some more gold? All right. Oops, there I go again. Didn't get very good. I must be lifting. I kind of like that though. I'm not unhappy with it. I'm going to leave it for now. I'm laughing at myself for not getting it straight, but I don't care because I'm going to be tilting it. Let's try it one-handed. The only danger with swiping away from you is that you tend to get really close to this edge here. Okay. Let me take a peek at that. I think it's kind of pretty. Now I wish I had this effect over here. I like it. All right, well, as I said, I'm going to tilt it a bit. And since I like that, I'm going to first tilt this way. Gosh, those metallics are so beautiful. It's not moving nearly as much as I anticipated it would. Shifting some of the weight. I'm liking it though. I rather like it just the way it is. I think I may stop there. I like the way these cells got all squishy here. It kind of gives a 3D look to it. And here, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to stop, and I think it's interesting. There's that word again. Let me take you down for a close-up. It's a pretty large canvas. I think it's a 16 by 20. And let's take a look. I don't know that the camera is really picking up the green as well as it is in person, but it's kind of a nice combination. I may be satisfied with it just as is, although I think it would still work for the embellishment I have in mind. Okay, folks, that's it for today. I hope everyone is staying healthy and following all the restrictions placed upon us. It's really difficult time, but for our own good. So stay well. Happy painting. Bye-bye.